Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm also going to analyze my weekly gold forecast. I already did the last week, already done the profit. Have you didn't see my last week forecast? If you go there and see it, you will follow my weekly forecast. You can get more profit in gold fair. Now I am moved to the daily chart. I am in gold daily chart. Last week price reacted to below buy zone. You can see it, and now price created double bottom. That's like that pattern, and price moved to the upside from last week. I marked two zones that is in green color. That's I am forecasting price will create higher high like this. So below has it's a good candlestick pattern, evening star candlestick pattern, daily time frame. It create bullish candlestick. Okay, that's I move to the 4-hour chart for clear picture, and I am moved to the line chart also for clear picture. That I am expecting this line is the QM buy zone. That's I am marking the line that is the QM buy zone. I am thinking price will retest this zone in next week. This is the QM buy zone. This like this price will retest this zone and create higher high. That's my first forecasting gold. Next week price will be create higher high. That's the first one, and we'll see what will is the my second opinion is price go to this sell zone, this green color sell zone, and drop to like this QM buy zone. Price drop to this zone and again drop from below sell zone. That's my second forecasting. Price will drop to the from below sell zone. That's the second one. It's the this zone. I am circling this zone, and this zone is the very important zone to the get for the trade next week gold. Okay, so you can trade with proper money manage, and you also get the trade. You should get the small time frame confirmation. That's my two forecasting in next week gold. Thank you very much.